teman-temannya Fudi. Fudi hari ini mau membantu Pri Panda Miu Miu, membantu orang yang membutuhkan. Nonton sampai selesai ya.
I am Little Painter Miu Miu. I love helping others. Let's check out if anyone needs help. It looks like someone needs help. Little hamster, you look upset. Little Painter Miu Miu, I want to make star lights. Can you help me? No problem, I'll help you. Stars are high up in the sky, but I can't fly. How can I pick them? I've got an idea to help you fly to the stars. Magic brush comes to help. Hot air balloon. Try to draw the picture. Green. Yellow. Red. Rainbow color. Well done. Little hamster wants to get in the hot air balloon. Wow! There are so many stars! Tap to collect stars! Uh-oh! Hit by the meteorite! I want to clean the stars with water. Draw a kettle to pour water. Magic brush comes to help. Kettle. Try to draw the picture. Green. Yellow. Red. Well done! Remove the stains from the stars. The clean stars are sparkling. Let the stars swing to blow them dry. The stars are dripping. When will they dry up? Use a hairdryer to make the stars dry faster. Magic brush comes to help. Hairdryer. Try to draw the picture. Rainbow color. Yellow. Green. Red. Fantastic work! Blow dry the stars with a hairdryer. The star lights are ready! They look fantastic! Mew Mew, thank you for helping me make star lights. My house has become so bright. You're welcome. See you. It looks like someone needs help. Help! Help! Mommy Sheep, what has happened? My baby has fallen into the big pit. Please help me save it. Don't worry, I will check it out. We need to lift the little sheep up with the balloon. Magic brush comes to help. Balloon! Dear friends, can you help me with drawing? Yellow! Green. Red. Fantastic work! Thank you, Mew Mew. See you! Let's check out what has happened up ahead. Hi, little tiger. What a great party. It's my birthday. Let's celebrate together. Okay, let me draw a big cake. Magic brush comes to help. Birthday cake. Try to draw the picture. Blue. Red. Fantastic work!
Wow! La 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 la. See you! La la la.
Let's check out what has happened up ahead. Sweetie, what's the matter? Fairy Mew Mew, I want to join the costume party, but I don't have a pretty dress. Can you help me dress up? No problem. I will help you become the most glamorous princess at the party. I want to wear a beautiful princess dress at the party. Let me draw a dress for you. Magic brush comes to help. Princess dress. Try to draw the picture. Blue. Rainbow color. Yellow. Red. Yellow. Fantastic work! The dress is so pretty. Let's help the little girl put it on. My hair is so messy. Can you help comb it? Let me draw a magic comb to comb the hair. Magic brush comes to help. Comb. Dear friends, can you help me with drawing? Yellow. Well done. Help the little girl to comb her hair neatly. How can I go to the party without a mask? Count on me. Magic brush comes to help. Mask. Try to draw the picture. Red. Yellow. Blue. Red. more! Well done! Help the little girl put on the mask. Thank you, Mew Mew. Let's go to the party together. Thank you, Mew Mew. I love this dress. You're welcome. Have a great time. See you. I have helped many friends today. I am so happy.
Sama seperti peri panda Mew Mew, Woody juga sangat senang. Jangan lupa di like, subscribe, dan juga di komen ya teman-teman. Dadah!